Hi there. I have here one Samsung E2202 Duos that I just fixed with the latest version of SPD Service Tool from Furiousgold Pack 2. I repaired it using full flash from the sport area. As expected, the phone powered on okay. It has full signal, as you can notice. But there's one problem related to the serial numbers, as they won't match the ones from the back stickers, as you can see in here. So we need to repair it. For the ease of the process, I wrote them here on the notepad, and now I'm going to use the software to repair them, and I'm going to select E2202 and from the operations Imei BT relock. So we are going to repair the Imei 0 and Imei 1. So we are going to do it one by one. Okay, it's 948 as we can see on here. So now I'm going to press connect. So I'm going to attach the cable. I'm going to keep pressed the center button and insert the battery. If everything is okay, the phone gets detected. Okay, it's done. Let's power on the phone. Let's check the Imei. As you can see, it's the same as there. So the 40s Imei is repaired. Now we are going to repair the second Imei. So I'm going to select the second Imei. Select from the options Imei 1 and paste the second Imei. Press connect, and now we are going to reconnect the phone same way. Remove the battery, attach the USB, keep press the middle center and insert the battery. Okay, done. Let's check the Imei. So as you can see, both Imei matches the one from the back of the phone, so job was done successfully. For the final step of the operation, even the phone is unlocked, I'm going to show you how you can read codes from it. So I'm going to remove the battery and the USB cable. We are going to select from the operations remove SIM lock and press connect. Now we reattach the phone. Same as usual, we insert the USB, press the middle center key and insert the battery. The phone gets detected. As you can see, this time the Imeis read here are same with the ones here from the back of the phone. So the code calculation started. It shouldn't take too long. As you can see, it shows us the freeze code and the other codes that are 0 because the phone is not locked. So we are going to simply select no, and this is all. So we are going to power on the phone, and that's all. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, enjoy using our products, keep using Furiousgold. Bye bye.